Well, after printing fresh 3-month lows yesterday, EuroFX finds itself, with moderate gains, especially in the early going. It seems the dollar was weighed down with regards to the dovish tilted FOMC minutes that we heard yesterday afternoon. It definitely was enough to spark a little bit, or actually a big risk-off environment starting in Asia, but also a lot of unwinding of that FX positions, especially the dollar, and the euro is definitely a beneficiary of that. Also, in the early going, we heard from the ECB, who introduced a symmetrical 2% inflation target, allowing a little bit of an overshoot of inflation, which was construed as dovish, and also hearing from Lagarde saying they will take forceful action in case of any negative shock. On the euro side also, German trade balance number disappointed. Exports came out about less than half of what was expected. As we went into the U.S. session, the price kind of ran its course about midday, trading in a very narrow range. U.S. data definitely wasn't dollar bullish. We had initial claims that unexpectedly rose. Continuing claims fell less than expected. Risk off definitely kind of petered out midday. 10-year Treasury yields did hit a 4-month low, but keep in mind Boons were a 3-month low and Gilt were a 4.75-month low. 10-year break-evens were at a 2.5-week low, which should be supportive, but that has not affected the trade whatsoever. When it comes to options volatility, looking at the CME Group CVOL, 1 to 3 month, looking at the September options, trading about mid-market, 50th to 60th percentile. The variances are flat, which means the up variance or call wing, the down variance or put wing, both flat on the day. That would imply that skew is flat, which it is. September at the money vol up moderately. Looking at volume, the biggest observed volume would be in the September 120 call, followed by the 119 call, and then the 116 half put, followed by the 118 put.